How's it going? Mike Love here, MarineMax Ocean View. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2026 Grady-White Coastal Explorer 281. From the side of the boat, you'll see this beautiful ocean mist blue hull color. In the back of the boat, you'll see this is going to be powered by twin 300 Yamahas. We'll climb aboard, take a look at the boat. Starting in the back of the boat, we have a really great configuration of this bench seat across the back with non-skid underneath to make a great casting platform. These bolsters can flip to the side to allow you to walk in, and then are padded on both sides, so whether you want to lay across or use it to lean against when you're fishing as something for your knees for stability. Really great options here. Underneath each of these seats here, you have a live well in the middle, as well as storage under both the port starboard side. On the back of the lean post, storage for things like pliers or knives or anything. Bait prep station here, secondary live well, and some additional storage. Rod holders and rocket launchers all over the boat. Really cool feature is the swim platform. So this drops down. You have a boarding ladder conveniently stored right next to it. So if kids are jumping in the water, climbing in, really easy to reboard. Also going to be used as a tuna door, so you have a big catch of the day, you can pull it up from there. Up in the helm, Grady leaves the dash open, put whatever electronics you like to configure. Yamaha gauge, get your systems, joystick, fusion sound system throughout the boat. And you'll notice overhead, they have that ocean mist hull color is going to be on the underside of that T-top as well. It makes a really nice aesthetic on the boat. Moving forward, nice spacious head. And then on the bow of the boat, great seating area, also another huge casting platform. So non-skid underneath all of these. Both sides do have backrests that will pop up electronically, as you can see here. So this is a nice seating area, a coffee box in the front, tons of storage under here as well. And then easy access up to your windlass, which you can just take these cushions off and easily walk up. So again, it's Mike Love here, MarineMax. This is a 2026 Grady-White 281 Coastal Explorer. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, we'll love to have you stop by. Thanks, and see you out on the water.